Debbie here. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing a Ruffle Halloween, and I hope that you enjoy it. I am very proud of this method. It's kind of like my second favorite wreath style. So I really like how full it becomes and how ruffly it is and how easy it goes together. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And with that, let's get to the video. We're going to be doing a ruffle Halloween wreath. And so I started by cutting my ribbon 12 inches long. As you can see, I have a variety of different ones that I'm going to be using on this wreath. Then I cut my pipe cleaners in two and strung a little bulb on them. I got the bulbs at the Dollar Tree. And I have a variety of colors. Now, next we're going to take our ribbon, and I cut my ribbon 30 inches long, and I have two different kinds that I'm using and alternating them. And then in the middle, I'm putting a little curly cue of purple and orange. So we're going to alternate them, and to make a ruffle, we're going to simply put our mesh over the edge of the table. We're going to fold over the end like so, and we're going to start pinching it all the way together in the middle until we get to the other side. Once we get to the other side, we're going to fold that end under just a little bit. Next, we're going to take one of our little bitty ruffles that we made, and we're going to roll it into a ball. Put it in the middle, and next we're going to put one of our ribbons in the middle. We're going to fold it in half so that we can know where the middle is, and then we're going to pinch it together and like so. And then we're going to take our pipe cleaner with our Halloween bulb on it, and we're going to tie it tight in the middle and twist it about 3 times. And once we do that, we're going to connect it to our wreath, and we're alternating. We'll put 3 in each section. They'll go 1 on the outer 2 rungs, 1 on the inner 2 rungs, and another one on the outer 2 rungs. And we'll twist it like so. And then once we're done, we will take the ends of our ruffle and overlap them so that it makes a full ruffle. Just like that. And this is the finished wreath after I got it all done. It has my diamond art in the middle of it to finish it off. And you can see it's just nice and full and pretty and lots of Halloween colors and ribbons to get your holiday season started. Another gorgeous ruffle wreath. Has my diamond art. Again, lots of ribbon, lots of ruffles. It has this multicolored mesh in it, which really makes it stand out. So today we did a ruffle wreath, and I showed you 2. I showed you a second one that was the same method. And so 2 Halloween wreaths for the price of 1 anyway. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you on the next video. It is Halloween week, and so we're going to be doing a lot of Halloween wreaths this week until Halloween, to October 31st. And then starting in November, we will be doing a lot of Christmas. So already starting on my Christmas, and I'm looking forward to putting out a really jam-packed video with all the reviews I've made in the last 2 weeks of October. So look forward to that. And with that, I will see you on the next video.